Hi everyone, so just wanted to go through some of the maths with you today on using arrays, as it can be a slightly trickier approach to looking at multiplication. It's really visual, which means that the absolute best way of approaching this is to use some kind of objects at home. I've got Duplo here, just because it won't whiz around like the pasta did earlier in the last week. But you know, find something at home, ideally kind of small enough for you to move around, and that is going to be the best way for you to be able to see your maths today. So I've got 12 blocks of Duplo here, and what I'm going to do, hopefully you've already seen the White Rose video, I'm going to show you how I can make different arrays using my Duplo. So the first thing I could do, I apologise if this takes me a little bit of time, is I can make an array like this. Okay, so I've got all 12 blocks there, which is, I've got one row, and I've got 12 columns. Can you see that? One down here, and there are 12 along. So the first multiplication I've made is 12 multiplied by 1, which is 12. If I was going to do this as repeated addition, it would be 1, add 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 1 equals 12. Okay. The good thing about 12 is that I can make it into a different array. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of my 12 and my 1 here, and I'm going to move them into a different array. Where's my other ones? Oh, there it is. Okay, so there we go. So now, still got my 12. Hopefully you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay, so now if I write my calculations over here, I've made 3 multiplied by 4. And I've still got 12. If I was going to do it as repeated addition, separate those slightly so that you can see them clearly. I've got 4, add 4, add 4. Can you see that? So I've got 4, add 4, add 4. Both finding the same answer of 12, both using an array, but remember this way is repeated addition, where we're repeating the addition. This way is showing 3 lots of 4, 3 columns of 4. Okay, hopefully that helps a little bit. Please do reach for something to use, or indeed you could draw out, if you've got a pen and paper, you could draw your arrays. This is exactly the same array as I've got here. I've still got 3 columns and I've got 4 rows, still got 12 dots in total. You can do it like that, okay? Hopefully that helps a little bit. Remember, using arrays, you've got no spaces, you've got full columns and full rows, no gaps in between. Okay, so this is not an array. Okay, it has to look like complete lines. Okay guys, hope that helps a little bit. Let me know how you get on, and I can always post another video if you're not sure. Okay, thank you.